In this video, we'll walk you through the stunning new Eclipse Gas fire range from Onyx. This video is designed to provide you with a short how-to for using and maintaining your new Eclipse fire. No doubt you'll have bought from an Onyx-approved expert retailer who has provided a safe and stunning installation. Eclipse Gas fires benefit from a compact, completely integrated control system with an included fully sequential thermostatic remote control for absolute convenience from your sofa or armchair. To activate the remote control, cradle the remote in your hand as shown. You'll see the green grip lock safety light illuminates, indicating that both your fire and handset are ready to use. Continue to cradle the remote throughout an operation to keep it unlocked. To get started, press and hold the power button and wait for the word Pilot to flash on screen. Release the power button and your Eclipse will ignite. The flame icon will simultaneously appear on screen. Please note, if the power button is held down too long, the command to ignite will be cancelled. To increase or decrease your flame height, use the plus and minus buttons. To turn off the appliance, simply press the power button. As mentioned earlier, Eclipse Gas fires also feature thermostatic control, along with up to a 24-hour timer. For instructions on using these and other advanced control features, please refer to your user manual. Before carrying out any maintenance, you should first make sure the fire is switched off and has fully cooled down. Continue only when you're sure it is safe to do so. Your remote has a helpful battery indicator, beside which two pairs of letters will appear alternately. When the letters RC appear beside this indicator, your remote is showing you its own battery level. When the letters FC appear, the level shown is for the batteries in your fire. You will need to change the batteries in your remote or fire as indicated. This is quick and straightforward for your remote. Simply slide off the back cover and replace the batteries inside with two high-quality alkaline batteries, such as Duracell Pro cells. Replace the cover plate and you're ready to go. To change the batteries in your Eclipse fire, start by removing the magnetically attached side panels from the front of the fire. Next, lift up the base panel in front of the firebox and you'll see the battery pack nestled inside. Again, it is essential that you use high-quality alkaline batteries. We recommend that the batteries in your fire are changed at least once a year as part of your annual service. The fire has been thoughtfully designed. An all-in-one burner system allows for easy installation and removal of the whole system, with an established positioning of the logs to ensure full certainty with placement. For servicing, the magnetic side panels allow for easy removal, and there is no need to remove the lining, making it a smooth and time-efficient process for everyone involved. Cleaning the exterior glass of your Eclipse fire is also simple. Just wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth and buff dry with a lint-free duster. Do remember that your Eclipse should be serviced once a year. Your Onyx retailer can arrange this for you, or alternatively, Onyx offer a premium manufacturer's service. Don't forget to register your fire for its extended warranty at onyxfires.com. This puts you in with a chance to win back the cost of your fire. For a second chance to win, you can also take a photo of your Eclipse installation and upload it to the Onyx Owner Expo. We love to see our products transforming real homes. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you all the information you need to start using your superb new Eclipse Gas fire, and that you'll be enjoying the comfort and ambience it brings to your home for years to come.